Redmi Note 11 and Note 11 Pro 5G specifications have leaked online. Today a tipster has shared some insight on its spec sheet and pricing. Let's start with the Redmi Note 11 Pro. It is said to feature a 120Hz OLED display and a Dimensity 920 chipset, alongside 6GB of RAM, with 128GB of storage or 8GB of RAM, with 128GB or 256GB of storage. The 120-watt charging that was being rumored before is disputed by the new leak, which claims the Redmi Note 11 Pro will have a 5000 mAh battery, capable of 67-watt charging. Frankly, that sounds like a more believable upgrade over the current Redmi Note 10 Pro, with its 33-watt and perfectly in line with the China-exclusive Redmi Note 10 Pro. Some other Pro features will include a JBL stereo speakers, NFC and an X-axis linear motor. On the camera department, the Redmi Note 11 Pro is said to have a 108-megapixel main camera, alongside other supplementary cameras, not mentioned in the leak, and a 16-megapixel selfie shooter. These are rumored to cost Chinese yuan 1,599, which is around $248, with other option costing up to $311. Moving on, the vanilla Redmi Note 11. It is said to have a 120Hz LCD display, with a Dimensity 810, alongside 6GB or 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. The Redmi Note 11 also gets a 5000 mAh battery, but charging is capped at 33 watt. Cameras allegedly include a 50-megapixel main snapper on the back and a 13-megapixel selfie shooter. The pricing for Redmi Note 11 is tipped at Chinese yuan 1,119, which is around $186, and maxes out up to $248. As for the release date, according to a fairly reputable source on Weibo, the two phones are actually very close to release and expected to drop before Singles Day, November 11, likely just in time to catch the shopping frenzy. So yeah, the Redmi Note 11 seems to be differentiated by an LCD screen instead of OLED screen like an 11 Pro. What do you guys think? Is the Redmi Note 11 series featuring Dimensity chipset good enough for the intense mid-range market? Let me know in the comments section. Until then, see you guys later.